Now if you've watched this channel for a while, you'll know I normally fly around in one of those, but today I thought we'd have a bit of an upgrade. Edwin just told me some really interesting facts about the PC-12 and I wasn't rolling the camera as usual, so you're going to have to do that all again and make it sound natural. Like it's the first time you said it. Like I knew this was used by the Royal Flying Doctor Service, but you were telling me this was actually created for the Royal Flying Doctor Service?
Exactly.
Yeah, is that right?
The Royal Flying Doctor Service was actually the launch customer of the PC-12. So it was very much designed to be a tough, rugged utilitarian aircraft, and they wanted a big cargo door, and that's why all PC-12s now have the large cargo door. A straight trailing edge of the wing, so you can actually drive a vehicle unimpeded straight up to the cargo door. That's why it's got the T-tail as well, so again to allow vehicular access. So it's, you know, ideal for the Royal Flying Doctor Service. It's built to be very tough. And then somebody said, you know, we ought to put leather seats in it and make it a nice sort of executive interior. And the rest is history.
And I'm the lucky boy who's going to go for a trip in this today because Edwin's kindly agreed to take us for a ride. So what's the plan today for the flight?
We just head out to the east, so we're taking off from Biggin Hill. We'll go out to the east, just get you familiar with the aeroplane, get you used to it. And then we'll head up to Stapleford. Yep. And the beauty of Stapleford, it's quite a short runway, and half the runway is asphalt and the other half is grass. So I'm going to land on the asphalt, just gently stop it on the asphalt, no reverse, just a little bit of beta, a little bit of light braking, and we're going to get airborne again on the asphalt. Okay. And then fly back to Biggin Hill, and then we'll shoot an ILS back into Biggin.
Sounds really good.
Sound like a plan?
Should we jump on board?
Excellent, let's do it. Yeah, perfect. So it's really easy, aeroplane on the ground. By the way I'm interfacing with this is with a mouse. They call it a cursor control device. You can also adjust it this way as well. So, you know, any appearance of complexity is only because there's lots of duplication. Enter buttons are everywhere, they all do the same thing. There's also an enter button here. So while you're flying, when your hand is naturally on the throttle, you're using the mouse and then pressing enter. And we don't want to go through the London zone. So let's go over here somewhere. This is how easy it is. Point, there's our temporary waypoint, and activate. Aircraft until 82 knots. Anything at all below 82 knots and we'll stop. Okay. After 82 knots we're going to stop for anything major. Loss of control, loss of thrust, bird strike, fire. We're going to land on the runway remaining because we're going to be rotating at 82. So we'll just go out to the east, we'll go by Sevenoaks, maybe fly down to, I don't know, Tunbridge or something, and then fly back to Stapleford. Perfect. And that'll give you a chance to get settled in, have a go on the controls. You know, we can brief approach to Stapleford, get all that set up.
Yeah, great. Alright, sounds good.
And we're just going to do a rolling takeoff, not a static takeoff. Bit of a crossing from the right, so smoothly applying full power. Again, this is not short field takeoff. Speeds alive, both, we can continue the takeoff run. 70 knots, 82 knots, and rotate, we're airborne.
Oh, that's quick.
On a levitate, and that was not a short field takeoff.
Traffic is a PC-12 departing.
A little bit of a crossing from the right.
Routing southeastbound VFR.
Okay, we've got no runway remaining. We've got a positive climb, so we're now going to dab the brakes, put the gear up, turn the yaw damper on, and the speed's above 100 knots, so we can now go flaps 0. So I'm just following the flight director. Put speed mode in at 125 knots, which is our VY. The deck angle is quite steep, but I'm climbing away at max rate. So the ACL's already green, so I'm just going to start to lower the nose. There you can see I brought the power well back. So the after takeoff checks, gear is up and checked, we've got the yaw damper on, pressurisation is working, flaps are up and indicating. That's all good. So there was somebody joining. I think they are nothing on TCAS, so it's probably gone. There's Sevenoaks. There's the Sevenoaks Lakes.
Okay, yes, I got them just ahead.
Well, I've got the power. Yeah, I've got the power right back now, just so we can sort of cruise along at 2,300 feet. I'll leave the pulsing lights on. The taxi and landing lights are in the wheels, and they've gone anyway, so there's no point having those on. So that's the maximum visibility. You know, we're pulsing away as we're flying.
Yeah, in this kind of airspace, I think that's why.
Yeah, you really need it. Yeah. Exactly. You're gradually getting to know the area around here, I guess.
Bit by bit. I actually grew up around here.
Oh, really?
I used to live near Sevenoaks.
Oh, yeah, so I grew up. Yeah, of course.
But every time we go over a town, I think, I remember that one.
Yeah,
I remember where we are. But from an airspace perspective, no, that's all unfamiliar. Because I learned to fly in Australia and never flew when I was here in the UK.
Yeah.
So what kind of cruise speeds would you have then at flight levels once you're set up?
Yeah, typically it'd be between, you know, you're tassing out between 270 and 280. That's typical. The factory say 285, and you know I have seen 285. If the conditions are right, if it's cold, and it's right on the bottom of cold, so I'd never fly 285 really. Yeah, I mean, I just love hand flying it. I mean, I'm very rarely. I mean, if I'm flying IFR, I'll turn the autopilot on, but flying around VFR, always hand flying. I mean, this is so super stable.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, you've got an aileron trim, you've got a rudder trim. Do you want to have a go?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Yeah, so you have control.
All right, my aircraft.
Your aircraft.
What are we maintaining?
So we're at 2,300, yeah, and there's pure water over there, so just have a play, just fly around. I mean, you know, you're a pilot, don't need to touch your suck eggs, just do whatever you like.
Thank you. I could try a couple of turns.
You can go above 2,300, so your limit is probably the cloud base. Your actual limit is 3,400 here now, so. Okay. So if you want to head over to pure water and, you know, just have a play. No, you don't even need rudder because you've got a yaw damper on here.
Oh,
so that's basically your rudder. So, you know, you don't even really need to use the rudder. But you can see what I mean. I mean, you know, very responsive, but if you're rolling one way to the other, she's quite heavy.
Yeah, that's right.
But she's just a stable, she just wants to go in straight lines.
But it feels quite nice because it's not too twitchy on the controls, which is nice. I was wondering about that with the faster aircraft, whether it's actually going to feel quite with the faster airflow over the control surfaces, whether it's going to actually move around a lot. Right, turn to the left here.
Yeah, exactly.
And there's not too much back pressure in the turn either.
No.
There's a little bit there, but...
Yeah, exactly.
There's just one hand, two fingers at the moment.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm flying a PC-12, Philippe. Look at this. Who would have thought? I came here to fly an SR-20, and now look. This was never part of the plan, but this is fantastic. It's another one to add to my list, so thanks, Edwin.
It's a real pleasure.
For the av geek inside of me to be inside a cockpit like this and knowing I'm flying this is very special, so thank you.
No, it's a real pleasure.
Lima November, as you manoeuvre this traffic northwest of you by 6 miles, tracking south, indicating 400 feet below.
Hi, Golf Lima November, that's copied, looking for the traffic, and we're heading northbound again towards Stapleford now. But he's 6 miles away, and I've got him on TCAS as well.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, actually your range is too low. Well, there you are.
So, there we go, thank you.
Yeah. No contacts. Yeah, I think that's a good idea to head right.
Yeah. He's just a bit too close, I think.
Yeah.
Understood. Many thanks, Golf Lima November, traffic left, 10:30, 5 miles, parallel track, indicating 300 feet below.
Golf Lima November, roger. Now we're just turning to the right to avoid.
So
can you see the QE2 bridge over there? If you head
yes, I can.
So I'm just going to spin you round and head you towards the QE2 bridge.
All right. I was just trying to see if we can get past that traffic first.
Yeah, it's a good idea. It's a good idea because he's also going the same way as well, isn't he?
Seems to be, yeah, and he's keeping up speed with us as well.
Yeah. No, it's a good idea. Just keep sight to the right then until we do that.
Golf Lima November, practical traffic now left 10 o'clock, 3.5 miles.
Got him.
Tracking north, indicating 400 feet below.
Golf Lima November visual, many thanks. Seeing a right turn, he's manoeuvring. If you head for the bridge, can you see it?
Now, yeah.
You got him?
Oh, good spot, thank you.
Yankee flash message.
Do you mind if I take it again?
I was just going to say, Edwin, handing over control, so you're going to take us into the approach now.
I have control. Now look how slow this is. We find this great big aeroplane, and we're just flying along at light aeroplane speeds, basically. Hi, Golf Lima November, we're left base, turning final to land, runway 21. I'm going to do a fairly firm arrival because it's going to be a short field landing, but that's, I'm not going to make it pretty. I want to make it short. So just be aware of that.
I understand.
But I just want to show you what we can do with this aeroplane. Gentle beta, not even reverse. Tiny bit of brakes, not even reverse, just beta. See how easy it is?
And we're just coasting to the end of the tarmac. He
wasn't even trying.
Wasn't even trying with that. Beautiful. And again, that's why it's a good choice, I guess, for the outback flying style, isn't it?
Releasing the brakes, going to full power. And we're airborne. Climbing away. How cool is that? So, we're above 90 knots, nearly. 90 knots, flaps go to flap 15, no more runway remaining, damp the brakes. Gear goes up, positive rates, and above 100 knots. Hey, Golf Lima November, thanks very much indeed for your help. We'd like to go back to Farnborough now, 123225.
Golf Lima November, roger, 123.225. Thanks for the visit, have a good one.
Left heading 240 degrees, cleared on left runway 21, Golf Lima November. Alpha 121. Hitting gust, speed's too high again. I'm just going to let it roll. Beautiful.
I didn't even feel that one. You should be happy with that one. Even you would be happy with that.
It's the aeroplane, honestly. You need to learn to fly a PC-12 now. You're a natural.
If I upgrade one day, who knows?
Absolutely.
This is excellent. Yeah. But hey, look, thanks, Edwin.
Thank you so much, Steph. Really appreciate it. It was a lot of fun.